it's raining a little bit, so I'm just gonna go around the corner. Outside we can take off the mask, guys, but inside you gotta wear your mask. I just want to show you the light, the wheel when it's light up in the night. Wendy's. That's the wheel. So pretty. Hello. Look at that, guys. It's Halloween. Hi. Where are you from?
Oh, we're from Hampton.
Oh, okay. Cambridge.
Oh, Cambridge.
Hi. Good morning, world. So guys, it's really blinky outside, so look at me, I have my bracelet on. So I'm gonna wash my face. Still, I'm gonna take these brows off, do them over, and I'm gonna show you outside. Yeah, so this is the view of where I'm staying, guys. It's really beautiful. You can stay here and see the falls. It's not one fall, guys, it's actually 3 falls. All right, so if you know Canada and America, you have the America one right here, so the Canadian right there. So but somebody let me know there's another one like right here. That's a 3rd falls. Okay, so there are 3 falls together and people come from the 3 sides. All right, so that's it, and that's the bridge to go over the US. All right, guys, that's it. This is my view. It's really pretty and steep, and there's like 20 more stories above me. So that's it, guys. All right, and I'll see you on the street. See you when I hit the streets, guys. Okay, I'm gonna walk the falls a little bit. I don't know, let me go this way. It's kind of nice. It's raining a little bit, so we'll see. I'll show you bits and pieces. All right, guys, so we're on the street. It's a nice little park here, really beautiful. Show you a little bit of the falls. I can take my mask off now. I bring my water bottle and it's so beautiful. See over America side there, guys, and that's where I'm staying. Wow. Oh my goodness. So you can go over there. I'm just gonna go right here and show you a little bit, guys. It's raining a little bit, but I still want to show you. Oh, they're working. Workman at work, you guys. So I want to show you what I'm wearing. So I have my jeans, my flat shoes. I just have to skip the water so I can walk really fast. I have my water bottle on deck, and I have an apple because I don't know how far I'm gonna walk. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, guys. Look. Wait, let me skip the water first. Wait. I'm gonna do a 360. Woo. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Yes. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. All right, guys, so look how we are. Ooh, so beautiful. Let's take some pictures right here. Okay, guys. Ooh. All right, enough of me. I did a skincare routine. I cleaned my face. You can take your mask off outside unless you're close beside somebody. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of the falls now. All right, guys, it's right here. This is the first one. This is the US side. All right, see the bridge there? Oh my god, it's a long walk to go to the Canadian side, guys. So this is it, Niagara. So I'm gonna try to walk over that side, over the Canadian side, and show you. It's morning now, but it's beautiful. And this is where we're staying. If someone look outside, they can see me. The boat is going out. Here it is, guys. I think the red is Canadian, and I think the blue or yellow is American side. Look at that, guys. It's going out. But I don't see nobody going down from that side, but the Canadian boat went out. I went on it once, guys. So the boat went out. Alright, so now I'm gonna walk around. It's gonna be about 20 minutes walk. I'm gonna go right around out there, and I'm gonna go live, and I'm gonna show you guys. So this is it, Niagara. And it's good, guys, because I get my morning walk too. Alright, see you later. If you want to go on the boat, you got to go down to there. Alright. And this is just a quick little view. It's fall now, so the leaves are changing a little bit. And it's really green and beautiful. Because it's always damp. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful building right here. We soon reach, guys. ASMR Niagara Falls. See, that's the US side, guys. They're gonna go on the boat. Wow, they can go close up to the falls there. So deep. Lovers walking, guys. That's how you and your husband should walk. Lovers. Your wife and husband. Beautiful view. Beautiful. Oh my. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. That's where I'm coming from. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But me hair wet. I love eating a curly hair, guys. Yeah, it's more wet and more curls. It's so beautiful, guys. Look. Woo, we're going out there. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my God, I hope I can get somebody to take a picture with me. There's the boat is coming back, guys. The boat returns. Man, it's so beautiful. We almost reached, guys. Almost, see? We're getting closer. 10 more minutes. That's where we had dinner again. And the food was good, guys. Okay. I keep my mask, guys, so if I'm close to somebody, I just put it on. Apart from that, I don't. Okay? I get the fresh air, fresh water, river water. Yeah. Yay. Shake it. Alright guys, we're here. Basically, the end is just right out there. Okay? So we're at Niagara and the US side is over there. And this is the best side. What I tell you guys? What did I say? Okay? The best side, the best view. Look at that. See if I can get a picture. Go live from here a little bit. the Niagara dance. Hey, Niagara dance. Hey, Niagara dance. Hey, hey, Niagara dance. Hey, hey, Niagara dance. 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 Woo! Alright guys, so we are here and it's actually raining from the mist and the boat is going out again and you can't see it because it's so misty, but this is it guys. Alright, that's where we at. It's beautiful. We're at the point. Alright, and it's really misty over there and it's actually raining because of the mist. Like you have to wear a raincoat. Umbrella will blow away basically, or put on a good cap or something. It's not cold, it's just misty and damp, but it smells beautiful. The water is amazing, and as you see me wet up the curly hair flap, but lucky thing a water wave or deep wave is gonna curl up back. So that's it guys, thank you so much. Hey, 360. Hey. My guys, it is so windy. Woo, got my hair flying. Hey. Guys, I'm surprised my lash lamps there. And the amount of water out in we have to them have. But they don't cover. So guys, apart from the beautiful falls, you have some beautiful view. All right, it's really pretty and green. All right guys, so apart from the falls, if it's not raining, when it's dry and it's not wet, you can come have your picnic and so on. So it's fall now, so can you see that? It's super beautiful. Look at that guys. Woo! Hey, I caught it. Yes guys, yes. Lots of activity here. Look guys, they're coming. Woo! Yes, I got them and they disappear. Trim. Woo! Look at that guys, they're all, and then they are gone. It's beautiful guys. And they are off. Woo! And then they gone into the falls. It's beautiful guys. You see how far I'm walking from? It's beautiful. That's my way back. I'm going in now guys. So I'll see you next time. Oh God, I don't look like a two little tiny tot. Someone, we not half the floor yet. It's 3/4 up on top, you know. My mama red. Someone, we just down at ground level. Oh God. Wow. Okay, bye. Guys, I'm back in the garden. Woo. And I'm gonna go up. Someone there waiting on me. Oh my God. Guys, if you see how tall this building is, look there. Oh, wow.